In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or increase your heart points on Google Fit. If you're using Google Fit app and the app isn't recording your heart points, here's how you can fix that. So you can simply tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down till you find tracking preferences. You want to make sure that track your activity is toggled on. Once this is turned on, you can go back to your home and then any activity you carry out with the device on you should now be measured by Google Fit. If you're someone who has already carried out an activity and want to add to your heart point, on your home page, you can tap on the plus icon here and you see add activity. Tap on this and then here you want to give a name to the activity you carried out. Select the activity type, which you find several activity types here such as paced walking. Enter your stats details here, duration for the activity, and then in this section where it says intensity, you'll be able to add your heart point. So the max heart point you can add in this section is 60 heart points. You can reduce and increase in this section. Once you're done, tap on OK and then enter the distance, energy expanded, steps, and if you want to add a note. Once you're done, tap on save at the top right corner and this will be updated in your daily goals. What kind of videos would you like to see next? If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.